Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Drew, and welcome to Learning Science. Today, we will be discussing one of the most fascinating and transformative periods in human history, and this is the intellectual revolution. This period marked a significant shift in the way people understood the world, leading to the groundbreaking changes in science, technology, and philosophy. So, the essence of the intellectual revolution. The intellectual revolution was a movement that emphasized enlightenment, where people became more open to new discoveries in science and technology. Instead of relying solely on tradition, people started to experiment, observe, and question the world around them. So, this period was characterized by a challenge to traditional beliefs and dogmas. It encouraged critical thinking, logical reasoning, and scientific inquiry. This shift in mindset paved the way for modern science and laid the foundations for many discoveries that continue to shape our world today. Among the many intellectual advancements, there are three revolutions that greatly impacted science and technology. These are the Copernican revolution, that's in the areas of astronomy, the Darwinian revolution in biology, and Freudian revolution in psychology. Each of these revolutions challenge existing knowledge and transform how we understand our universe, life, and the human mind. So let's start with the Copernican revolution. So the first major intellectual revolutions we'll discuss in this revolution, and this is proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus. His ideas reshape our understanding of the cosmos. For Copernicus, the widely accepted model of the universe was the geocentric theory, which placed Earth at the center. However, Copernicus proposed the heliocentric theory, which positioned the sun at the center with planets, including Earth, revolving around it. This idea laid the foundation for modern astronomy, proving that the universe operates under natural laws rather than divine or mystical forces. However, Copernicus' model faced strong opposition, especially from the Catholic Church, which viewed it as contradictory to religious teachings. Despite the resistance, his ideas eventually led to a scientific revolution in cosmology and astronomy. So these are, or this is the important astronomical milestone. Many scientists built upon Copernicus' work, leading to important breakthroughs. So it started with Greek philosophers. These are important dates in astronomical timeline. Started with Greek philosophers' views about the universe. Then we have the geocentric theory, and then here comes the Copernicus, which is the heliocentric theory. Then we have the model cosmos by Tycho Brahe, and then planetary motion, and then the usage of newly invented telescope by Galileo Galilei, and then the first reflecting telescope by Isaac Newton, or Sir Isaac Newton. Moving on, let's go to the Darwinian revolution. So in here, we have the Darwinian revolution pioneered by Charles Darwin. His work in biology changed how we understand the origin of a species and life itself. Darwin introduced his groundbreaking theory in his famous book on the origin of species, where he explained the process of evolution through natural selection. Through years of research and observation, Darwin gathered evidence supporting this theory, showing that organisms evolve over time due to natural selection, ensuring the survival of the fittest. So, just like the heliocentric model, Darwin's theory was controversial. It challenged religious beliefs about creation and was met with skepticism and resistance. However, today his ideas form the foundation of modern evolutionary biology. Lastly, we have the Freudian revolution. So here, Sigmund Freud introduced his work that transforms psychology and how we understand the human mind. So Freud developed psychoanalysis. It is a method that delves into the unconscious mind to explain human behavior, emotions, and mental disorders. Freud's theories were revolutionary, but also highly controversial. He proposed that much of human behavior is influenced by unconscious thoughts, desires, and repressed emotions, which many people found difficult to accept. Despite the debate, his work remains cornerstones in psychology today. So these three intellectual revolutions, Copernican, Darwinian, and Freudian, transformed an understanding of the world, life, and the mind. Their impact extends beyond science, influencing philosophy, culture, and even modern technology. As we continue to explore new frontiers, the spirit of the intellectual revolution lives on. So thank you, and I hope this discussion has helped you appreciate the power of critical thinking and scientific inquiry. See you again.